Is your cryptocurrency journey stalled because you're wondering how to get good old-fashioned money, naira, dollars, euros, pounds, into your Gemini account? Are you staring at those exciting charts, itching to buy your first Bitcoin or diversify your altcoin portfolio, but feeling stuck on the very first step, depositing fiat? If you've ever found yourself asking, how do I actually get my money onto Gemini so I can start trading, then you're in the absolute right place. We've all been there. The world of cryptocurrency can feel incredibly complex at first. You hear about decentralized finance, blockchain technology, Web3, and it's easy to get overwhelmed. But before you can dive into the exciting depths of DeFi or speculate on the next big altcoin, there's a fundamental hurdle: getting your traditional currency, your fiat, onto an exchange. And for many, Gemini is the exchange of choice due to its strong regulatory compliance, robust security features, and user-friendly interface. But even with a great platform, the process of linking your bank account and initiating a deposit can seem daunting if you've never done it before. Perhaps you've already opened a Gemini account, verified your identity, and now you're looking at a zero balance, wondering what to do next. Or maybe you're new to the entire crypto space and Gemini came highly recommended, but you're a bit intimidated by the financial transfers. This isn't just about clicking a few buttons, it's about understanding the different methods available, knowing the limits, anticipating potential delays, and ensuring your funds arrive safely. The last thing you want is your hard-earned money floating somewhere in cyberspace, or worse, getting held up due to a simple mistake in the deposit process. Today, we're cutting through the confusion. We're going to break down, step by step, exactly how to deposit fiat currency into your Gemini account using two of the most common and reliable methods, ACH transfers and wire transfers. We'll explore the nuances of each, helping you decide which method is best for your needs, your timeline, and your transaction size. We'll talk about the benefits of ACH for smaller, routine deposits, and why wire transfers are the go-to for larger amounts when speed is of the essence. We'll even cover common pitfalls and how to avoid them, ensuring your deposit goes smoothly and your funds are ready for trading as quickly as possible. So, get ready to unlock the full potential of your Gemini account. By the end of this guide, you'll not only know how to deposit fiat, but you'll understand why certain steps are important and what to expect along the way. No more guessing, no more hesitation. Let's get your money onto Gemini and get you trading. Alright, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of depositing fiat into your Gemini account. We're going to cover two primary methods: automated clearinghouse, or ACH transfers, and traditional wire transfers. Each has its own advantages and disadvantages, and understanding them will help you choose the best option for your needs. Let's start with ACH transfers, which are generally the preferred method for most users, especially for smaller and regular deposits. Method 1. ACH transfers, automated clearinghouse. ACH transfers are electronic transfers between banks in the United States. They are a common way to pay bills, receive direct deposits, and, in our case, fund your Gemini account. Think of them as the digital equivalent of writing a check, but much faster and more secure. Why choose ACH? Cost-effective. The biggest advantage of ACH transfers is that they are typically free or have very low fees from your bank. Gemini itself does not charge fees for ACH deposits. Convenience. Once set up, they are relatively easy to initiate directly from the Gemini platform. Ideal for regular deposits. If you plan to make frequent, smaller deposits, ACH is perfect. What are the downsides of ACH? Speed. This is the main drawback. ACH transfers are not instant. They typically take 3 to 5 business days to clear and become available for trading on Gemini. This is because they are batched and processed in cycles by the ACH network. Limits. ACH transfers usually have daily and monthly limits imposed by Gemini. These limits vary based on your account verification level and your history with Gemini. For example, a newly verified account might have a daily limit of a few $1,000s, while an older, established account could have higher limits. It's always best to check the most up-to-date limits on Gemini's support pages. How to deposit fiat using ACH on Gemini. Log into your Gemini account. Start by logging into your Gemini account on the website or through the mobile app. Navigate to the transfer page. On the web interface, look for the transfer button, usually located in the top right corner. On the mobile app, you will typically find a similar transfer or deposit option. Select Deposit into Gemini. From the transfer options, choose Deposit into Gemini. Select USD, or your local fiat currency. You'll be prompted to select the currency you wish to deposit. Make sure to select USD if you're using a US bank account. If you're in a supported region and want to deposit Euro, GBP, etc., select that currency. Choose Bank Transfer, ACH. This is the crucial step. You'll see various options. Select Bank Transfer, ACH. Link your bank account, if not already linked. Plaid integration. Gemini often uses Plaid, a secure third-party service, to connect your bank account. This is usually the fastest and most common method. You'll be redirected to a secure Plaid interface where you'll search for your bank and log in using your online banking credentials. Plaid encrypts this information and never stores it, simply using it to verify your account and establish a connection for transfers. It's a widely trusted service used by many financial apps. Manual linking. If your bank isn't supported by Plaid, or if you prefer not to use it, you might have the option to link your bank account manually. This involves providing your bank's routing number and your account number. Gemini will then initiate small microdeposits, usually a few cents, to your bank account. You'll need to verify the exact amounts of these deposits on your bank statement within a few days to confirm ownership of the account. This manual verification process can add a few extra days to the setup. Enter the deposit amount. Once your bank account is linked, you'll be prompted to enter the amount of fiat currency you wish to deposit. Be mindful of your daily and monthly ACH limits. Review and confirm. Carefully review all the details of your deposit, the amount, the linked bank account, and the estimated arrival time. Initiate transfer. Confirm the transfer. Gemini will then initiate the ACH request to your bank. What happens after you initiate an ACH deposit? Pending status. Your deposit will initially show as pending in your Gemini account. Funds available for trading. After 3 to 5 business days, excluding weekends and holidays, the funds will typically clear and become available for trading. You'll receive an email notification from Gemini once the funds are credited to your account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.